Welcome to 2026. I have been working really hard over the last couple weeks to revamp the Recharging with Champions YouTube episodes. Don't worry, I am still going to provide you with lots of good information that you can then go and create your own social media. That is staying true, but we're going to change up the episodes to try to make them more entertaining, and I've got a lot of feedback, and people really want more of the tech tools that I give. Those are some of my most popular episodes, and people would like me to continue to do more of those. So here's my thought. Once a week, I am going to give a bite-sized tech tool. Every week, I will teach you one little tech tool that you can use. It might be everything from Canva to AI to video creation. Who knows? But I will give you a tech tool that's 3 to 4 minutes, like short tech tool that you can go off and use in your business immediately. Something easy, one-steppers. Instead of giving you 3 episodes a week with ideas, I'm going to have one episode where we have a big idea every week, and then I give you the AI prompts in the episode comments to take this episode and actually make 3 or 4 different social media posts, marketing posts in your own words for your social media. We're going to jump into that. And then lastly, every week I'm going to give you a challenge. Here's the deal. I can give you all the how-tos. I can give you all the ideas. But until you take that step and actually start doing the marketing, start doing the calls, start doing the business development, it's not worth anything. So I'm going to have a challenge every week. And this is for anyone in the real estate industry. They will be very generic. Honestly, it could probably for anybody in the sales industry, period. But you're going to have a weekly challenge. And your goal is to complete that challenge by the end of the week, using some of the tech tools and using some of the ideas that you get from our episodes. One more new thing I'm going to do this year is this is a YouTube channel where I have been giving the video content. I have been told that there are some people that would like to listen to this while they're commuting and they don't want it to be video. So on top of all of the new changes, I am also going to go back to my audio format. So if you prefer to watch this, or I should say listen to this, in an audio format, please know that I will be on any of the podcast platforms, and you can find Recharging with Champions, and your 2026 episodes will now be on video if you want to see my face, or on audio if you want to listen while you're driving and get all the motivation, all the ideas, and all the tech tools you need while you're on your way to doing your work. I hope you really enjoyed this 2026 revamp of Recharging with Champions. Give me feedback. If there's something you like or something you want more of, please let me know. I am here for it, and I can't wait to just knock this year out and have an amazing record-setting year in 2026. Let's go get it.